Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'll be showing you one of my absolute favorite holiday treats, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies.
Soft, chewy, buttery, and loaded with big chunks of creamy white chocolate and roasted macadamia nuts. If this was at the potluck dessert table, you already know I was grabbing a few. Let's bake them. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. We've got flour, a little cornstarch for that chewy center, baking soda, and salt. Give it a quick whisk and set it on the side. In a separate large bowl, add your melted butter. Add in your brown sugar and granulated sugar. Next goes in 1 egg yolk, vanilla extract, and a tiny splash of almond or coconut extract. This is optional, but it gives the cookies a little Hawaii style flavor, and I love it. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and fold everything together gently. Don't overmix, just until the flour disappears. Now fold in your white chocolate chips and your macadamia nuts. The dough should be thick and buttery, loaded with big, beautiful chunks. So here's my favorite trick. Scoop and roll your cookie dough balls now, while the dough is still soft. It is so much easier to shape them before chilling. Place them onto a baking sheet, placing them about 3 inches apart. Cover the tray and pop them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Chilling the shaped dough balls gives you those thick, chewy bakery-style cookies. Once they're chilled, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 12 to 13 minutes, just until the edges turn lightly golden and the centers still look a little soft. They'll finish setting as they cool. While they're still warm, you can press a few extra white chocolate chips or macadamia nuts on top. Totally optional, but it gives them that bakery look. Let the cookies cool for about 5 minutes on the tray, then move them to a wire rack and try not to burn your mouth eating one immediately, because I do that every single time.
And that's it. White chocolate macadamia nut cookies. They're perfect for the holiday gifting, potlucks, and sneaking into a napkin for later. No shame. Full recipe is on my blog. Mahalo for watching.